Good evening, Patricia.
Good evening.
Okay, so are you fit and mentally prepared for the question tonight?
Yes.
So what were the preparations did you do?
My family and friends.
Oh, so hiningi mo yung suporta nila para sa tingin mo, handang-handa ka na ngayong gabi para sa casual interview mo.
Pero nagawin ko lahat para masagot ito.
Okay, so gawin mo na at bumunot ka na ng question mo from the fishbowl. And you're only 16 years old. Okay. How do you motivate a person who doesn't want to face challenges in life?
Well, motivate ko po ang person na to kapag hindi niya po kayang iharapin ang mga pagsubok na dumarating sa buhay niya. Yan lamang po.